Waitatau. Waitatau is an ancient Fijian ceremony. What it means on an occasion like this is that you have come to pledge to me as the president of this country and to the people of Fiji that you are prepared and that you are ready to undertake this Herculean task that you've been given, and to represent Fiji with honor. That's what it means, that you're prepared. For you, you're a chosen lot of young men. You had your trial by fire. You are now on the verge of international representation. You know as well as I do, there won't be any easy games. Because amongst you and amongst the other teams that are there are the budding Messis, budding Ronaldos, budding Van Persies, they'll all be there. And no doubt amongst you here. There will be scouts there who will be looking at your performance, see how you acquit yourself, whether you're able to take the pressure that's there. But if you've prepared yourself, which I believe you have, we've seen your training, we've been following the training that's been going on for some time now, and the build-up. So we're pretty confident that you're going to represent Fiji well at this tournament. Whatever you do, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. That's what I want you to remember. It's going to be hard, but don't forget to enjoy yourself while you're there. And you'll be surprised at the numbers who will come to watch you play. This game, football, you've got to do as the Italians say. You do the business. Do the business. Not only on the field, but off the field. And that's what you have to do. You've got to deliver when you go there. And as I told you earlier on, it won't be easy. Be hard, but enjoy yourself. And you go with the blessings of all the people of Fiji, both here and those who are overseas. And I wish you well. Wish you well, and we will be looking forward to the reports of your game and the build-up to the tournament. So good luck and God bless.